This is an old song from both of our days. Back when I was in Granville, Granville and Kenmore, in the Sovereign. It was a park hotel. It was a funny neighborhood. And one day, it was just a weird day. It was about to rain, and I was walking past the Armory, and the building had been on Broadway. The building had been demolished, and it seemed like the buildings had been together so long that it was like oozing, like it was bleeding outside the building, like it had been settled from. Anyway, all sorts of surreal things were happening, and that's what this song is. I was walking, I could hardly stand, swimming out was at hand.